Well, I found this very interesting post on X, and basically this person is sharing a prompt that you can use on Gemini AI to essentially create a fashion mood board in just a few seconds. So with this prompt, it will instruct AI to separate the items or the accessories that the person is wearing, and then adding some labels like the brand name, the color, where it was purchased, and some other information. And I would imagine that this is actually a great way to sell some of your products. So if you have a picture of model wearing your products, and I think this is actually a clever way to make the picture to be more attractive when you post it on social media. So I'm going to show you how you can use it. Now, you can always use this original prompt. In fact, I'm going to provide the link and also the original prompt in the description down below so you can use it. But I made some slight changes because I noticed that when I'm using that prompt, there's a good chance that it is actually duplicating the same items in the picture. So like these two outfits are actually appearing twice, and that's not great. And overall, I made some other changes to make the picture a bit more authentic. And these are some examples that I created. In my opinion, I think it looks great, but it can be subjective. But anyway, I'm going to show you how you can use the prompt and maybe one thing that you can customize from that prompt. So here's how you can use it. Let's open gemini.google.com, or you can also use the mobile app version of Gemini. And for this example, I'm going to use this picture. So I haven't used this picture before, so I have no idea how it's going to play out, but I'm pretty sure it's going to look great because this picture has quite some elements, quite some outfits and accessories that appear in the picture. So I think it's going to be great. Now I'm going to copy it and let's paste that or upload the picture into Gemini. Now, after you have provided your own photo, then you can insert this prompt. So it is a bit longer, but it is still just a variation from the original prompt. So credit to this person who made the prompt in the first place. Anyway, let's continue. I'm going to copy the prompt and let's paste that into Gemini. After that, click Tools, click Create Images, and for the model, I'm going to be using this and send the message. So one thing that you can easily change from the prompt is actually the background. So here, the background could be the fabric, cardboard, hempboard, or perhaps whiteboard or chalkboard. It's up to you. It's something that you can customize. If you are not specifying the background, then AI will choose the appropriate background randomly. And let's take a look at the example or the picture. So, okay, this picture kind of squeezed. It's just the preview in Gemini. I don't know what's happening, but it happens. But usually it wasn't like this. So the picture is actually great, and it is able to, I would say, put a lot of things, a lot of items into the surrounding area. And I gotta say, the theme, the color, the style, overall, it looks great. So I think if you post something like this on your social media, it's going to attract quite a bit of attention. So that's how you can use the prompt. It is simple and also quite customizable. So feel free to use this prompt to create a fashion mood board using Gemini Nano Banana. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.